Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, I'm going to share with you something that I think can help anybody who's trying to make more money on eBay or just getting started selling on eBay, something that they could use to help them make more money a lot faster. All right, so if you're not familiar with my channel, one of my most popular videos on this channel is about selling on eBay, right? So I think this will go really great with that information. So I recently got an email. Actually, it was, I think, yesterday. I got an email and it was from a marketer, and she was sharing an interview with a guy who just came out with a product. I think he came out with it like 3 days ago. And it's actually an app, right? This app will allow you to actually scan a barcode, right? And it will you'll be able to instantly see what it's going for online to see if that item is profitable or not, right? So when I saw that, when I was watching the interview, I'm like, oh man, if I still was in the eBay game, this is a must-have, because like I said, you literally could go out, take some time, and just go to different stores, your Dollar Market, your Walmart, and he talks about TJ Maxx, basically any retail store. You can go to the clearance rack. All you got to do is have your phone, scan the barcode. That's it. Scan it, and you'll be able to see right there, like, okay, it's selling for this. Okay, wait a minute. This is only $5 here, but it's selling on eBay for 30. Or it's selling on this for that, right? You literally can look right then and there, and you can just buy it, take it home, and then post it on eBay, right? And you could do that all day, right? But here's the kicker. I just said you can go home and post it, right? You can gather your information, get all your products. But what's even cooler than that is you can literally post it from the store, right? So you can post it from the app. So you can buy it. Say you saw like a toy or something, and you see it, it's on clearance for $5. It's on eBay for 30. You can post it from the store. Come on now. Come on now. I mean, so it's that simple, right? So the product that he came out with, it actually allows you to do that, like starting today, right? And I think that's pretty cool, because eBay is still very popular. A lot of people are starting eBay businesses, right, as their primary business, and there are still tons of people who make a full-time living from eBay. And if you didn't know, if you're new to eBay, a lot of people that have, connects with drop shippers, and they do a lot of wholesaling and stuff like that. This app actually could put you in that game, right? It will allow you to instantly be able to, turn your eBay part-time side hustle into a full-blown business, in my opinion, right? That's just my opinion. It's that simple, guys. So if you want to check out this app, obviously I got a link below. You don't got to like take my word for it. Click on it if this sounds like something, that can help your eBay business. Click on it, look at the sales page, just read it. You know what I mean? Watch the videos, watch the demo videos on there, right? And then, see if it's for you. Right now, as I'm shooting this video, it's only $48 for this app, right? That's it. $48, and you literally can go out today, in the next half hour, you can go to different retail stores and start scanning barcodes and, seeing what it's selling for online, seeing instantly can you profit, right? This actually still will work even at garage sales, because long as it has a barcode, it will be able to scan on the app, and you'll be able to see if it's profitable or not. So guys, I mean, how cool is that? I do recommend this for anybody who's really trying to make eBay like a real business. They're trying to make like a full-time income from it. I definitely would say check this app out. And if you do get this app, like, use it. That's the key. That's why so many people fail when it comes to making money on eBay or online in general, because they'll get a system, they'll get something that can make them money, they'll buy it, and then they don't use it. So I highly suggest, if you get this app, right, take some time. Literally say, hey, I'm gonna go out every Saturday. I'm gonna take 2-3 hours out the day, and I'm gonna go to this spot, and this spot. I'm gonna do my little, my barcode scans, and I'm gonna get this money, right? Set time aside to do it. If you do that, I'm super confident that you'll make money on eBay for sure, right? That I truly believe that. So yeah, guys, if you get it, make time for it, right? The other thing is about this product, which you can check it out for yourself. Of course, there are some upsells, but you actually get the app itself and some training how to use the app for right now is only $48. But they do have upsells that can actually show you how to make how to get like truckloads of products and stuff like that. But you might not even need all that, to be honest with you. You know what I mean? Like, you can probably just get going with the app and just go out there and grind, hustle, and you should start seeing some money in your eBay account. All right. So that's it, guys. Link below. Check it out. If you actually get the app, if you buy the app, come back to this video, comment, and let me and other people know how you like it. Is it helping you out? Is it cool? Blah, blah, blah. It's all good. We appreciate it. All right. So give this video a thumbs up if you like the content. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.